अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम। Welcome back to Urdu Master. Today we are learning counting numbers in Urdu. So let's start. 1 एक 2 दो 3 तीन 4 4 5 5 6 छः 7 सात 8 आठ 9 9 10 10. In this lesson, we are not learning only formal way of counting, but we are also learning ordinal way of counting, like first, second, third. Now we are learning to tell that first पहला, second दूसरा, third तीसरा, fourth चौथा, fifth पांचवा, sixth छठा, seventh सातवां, eighth आठवां, ninth नौवां, tenth 10वां. I think now we have made it clear from 1 to 10 counting in Urdu. Now we are going to learn from 11 to 20 counting numbers in Urdu. 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20. Now ordinal counting. 11th 11 12th 12 13th 13 14th 14 15th 15 16th 16 17th 17 18th 18 19th 19 20th 20. Now from 21 to 30. 21 21 22 22 23 23 24 24 25 25 26 26 27 27 28 28 29 29 30 30. Now ordinal counting of 21 to 30. 21st 21वां 22nd 22वां 23rd 23वां 24th 24वां 25th 25वां 26th 26वां 27th 27वां 28th 28वां 29th 29वां 30th 30वां. Basic rule for ordinal counting. When you are counting for female, you join we, wow, ye, noon with number. And when you are counting for male, you add wa with number, wow, alif and noon, like 31st 31वीं तारीख, और he is 31st, वो 31वां है. That's how it works. And pattern continues. 32nd 32वां, 33rd, 33वां, 34th, 34वां. That's all for today. To show your support, like our videos, comment on them and share with your friends. To get notified, subscribe to our channel and stay updated. See you in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and Allah Hafiz.